stomach. But he's been invited to this party called a costume party called the French Fries Party. That's what they've called it. Somewhere in California. He's got to get there. So he's had this Mexican lunch and his stomach's a bit grumbly. So he heads off to this party. And his guts are rumbling. And he knocks on the door. Opens it up. And doesn't see anyone. Steps inside and lets one rip. And it keeps on letting them rip. And suddenly the light in the room comes on. And there's 100 people there singing, "Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Lou."